Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and today is Monday and is it the 30th? Yeah. Is it? No. Is it? I can't remember. Anyway, I'm here to share my page to hashtag Color and Create with Us You Rock Art hosted by Rosemary, and I have Rosemary's channel down below and the hashtag and my title. This week's page, I enjoyed this page a lot. I colored, I just love how this owl turned out. Look at the eyes. Isn't that cool? And the feathers I made, very colorful. I used colors from his feathers around his eyes. I gave him blue eyes. Then I used my paint pen, extra fine tip paint pen from Artistro. Um, and I added some highlights in his hair, in his eyes. I did it around parts of the jar and around up here. Colored the branch. Oh, he just looks striking, doesn't he? I just love it. So this is our page for for today, and I want to thank everybody for watching. Go check out Rosemary's channel and everybody that's participating in this hashtag with this book. Let me just say, you don't have to have this book to participate. You can use or color anything you want. Just come on and share it and use that hashtag, and everybody will come over and check it out. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. And yeah, it's a Monday, guys. It's a Monday. And I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, that's my phone. Bye, guys.